Hey guys, subscribe our channel Tech Explorer and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an amazing video. Hello friends, welcome to Tech Explorer. In this video we are going to show you how to install TWRP recovery in any Samsung device using Odin software. So now let's explore it. First of all, enable the USB debugging mode in your Android device. For that, go to the settings. In settings, go to developer options and enable the USB debugging. Now download and install Samsung USB drivers. If you want to know how to install Samsung USB drivers, watch our previous video of how to flash stock ROM in any Samsung device. Now download the Odin software using the link provided in the description and download the appropriate TWRP recovery for your Samsung device. Now to see the model number of your Samsung device, go to settings. In that, go to about device. Here you can see the model number of your device. You can download TWRP recovery for your Samsung device from xjdevelopers.com or directly from the TWRP recovery's official website. I will give you the link of both these websites in the description. Now watch the video carefully to install the TWRP recovery successfully. So friends, if you like this video, please do like, comment, share, and most important, don't forget to subscribe our channel Tech Explorer for more videos like this. Now goodbye and thanks for watching our video.